Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next question of our daily answer writing series, the agriculture optional answer writing series. And the question we are going to discuss today is what are the two steps of nitrification and enlist microorganism responsible for each. तो जो नाइट्रिफिकेशन है उसमें जो दो स्टेप्स होते हैं तो व्हाट आर द टू स्टेप्स एक्चुअली नाइट्रिफिकेशन इज divided into two steps. First one is ammonia oxidation and second one is nitrite oxidation. Okay, we will discuss that. And there are microorganisms involved in each state in conversion of the different forms of nitrogen. So first we have to discuss the two steps and enlist the microorganism responsible for each step. And in the second part of the question, we have to write down the importance of nitrification. So this question was asked in UPSC Civil Services Examination of Agriculture Optional of 2024. So let's see how we can approach this. And I have made the video where I have shown you from which parts of our courses questions have come. We all know that I provide free videos in YouTube which has covered whole of the agriculture optional, and from these free videos most of the questions had come, and with proof I have made a video, so you can refer that video and you can see how questions have come from my courses, and that is also direct questions have come from my courses, so you can watch that video. Now let's uh, get ourselves into the answer. So I hope you understand the question. So let's see how we can approach the answer. So first of all, what is nitrification? We have to simply understand कि जो nitrification है वो क्या होता है. What is nitrification? So nitrification is a two-step process involving the conversion of ammonia to nitrate. In conversion of It involves the conversion of ammonia to nitrate. So this is what nitrification simply is, and why this nitrate is important. Why ammonia needs to be converted into nitrate? Because the plants are able to absorb the nitrogen available in soil in this nitrate form only. So if the nitrogen will be not in nitrate form, the plant will be not able to absorb these nutrients from the soil, absorb the nitrogen from the soil. That is why conversion of ammonia to nitrate is very important. So I hope you understand, and I hope you understand what nitrification is. Now we'll see the two-step process of nitrification. The first step is the पहला step है, that is ammonia oxidation. Ammonia oxidation. So what happens in this step? The ammonia is converted into nitrite. Ammonia, that is NH3, is converted into nitrite. What is nitrite? This nitrite is NO2 minus. So this is what happens in the first step. Ammonia is converted into nitrite, and the second step is nitrite oxidation. So what happens in this process? Nitrite is converted to nitrate. We have nitrite, that is NO2 minus, is converted into nitrate, which is the byproduct, and and this form only the plant are able to absorb the nitrogen. Nitrate, this nitrate is NO3 minus. So this is the two steps what takes place in nitrification. And you look at the question. The question is also asking the enlist microorganism responsible for each step. So for ammonia oxidation, the common microorganisms which we can see is nitrosomonas, and we have nitrosococcus. 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 So these are the two general microorganisms. Any of these can be involved in ammonia oxidation. And in nitrite oxidation. The two common microorganisms involved are nitrobacter or nitrospira could have been involved. Nitrospira. So these are the microorganisms involved in each process. So I hope you understand the two steps and the microorganisms involved. So this was the first part of the question. Now when you see the question, the second part of the question is asking about the importance of nitrification. So यहाँ तक कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि what are the importance of nitrification. The first most important thing is that it converts ammonia into nitrate. That is absorbable by the plants because plants are able to absorb nitrogen in nitrate form only. So this is the first important step. Second one is that this ammonia is generally many times toxic. So conversion of this ammonia to nitrate converts the toxic form of the nitrogen to a usable form. So the toxicity of ammonia in natural environment can be also reduced. So these are the two important things which you can see from here only, but we will also discuss the importance in details. The first one is soil fertility. So as we see that here ammonia is transferred into or you can say converted into nitrates, and these nitrates are ammonia to nitrate, and this nitrate is able to be accessible to plants because the plants are able to, this nitrate is accessible to accessible to plants. So by converting ammonia into nitrate, the soil fertility is enriched as the plants will be getting more nitrogen from that soil. So this is the first this is the core importance of this process, because if this would not happen, all the crops, all the agriculture we are doing will be highly impacted. Secondly, it is good for ecosystem health because it regulate the nitrogen levels in ecosystem, regulate nitrogen levels, or you can see that the different nitrogen levels in different forms in ecosystem. And you can see that ammonia is ammonia NH3, it is toxic. Okay, so what happens, this toxic form of ammonia is converted into other useful forms which is useful to various microorganisms, plants and other things. So this toxic form is converted into nitrate, which is useful form of nitrogen. So this is another thing it does. Next, water quality. Many times we do not see this point here because we cannot approach और उस बारे में सोच नहीं सकते कि वाटर क्वालिटी में किस तरह से हम लोग यहाँ नाइट्रिफिकेशन का रोल है. बट there is a huge role of nitrification in water quality because we all know that it converts ammonia to nitrate, and it reduces risk of ammonia toxicity in aquatic ecosystems. Reduces the risk of ammonia toxicity in aquatic systems, or you can say aquatic ecosystems. So this is how water quality is maintained. So I hope you understand this. And it's, if the ammonia is reduced from water ecosystems, the obviously it will promote healthier water bodies. So this is the next importance. Then obviously it has great role in nutrient cycling. It plays a overall great role in nitrogen cycle, role in nitrogen cycle. It facilitates the flow of nitrogen through different environment components and support diverse life forms. So flow of nitrogen to different components from ammonia to nitrite to nitrate. And what happens, this nitrate, it is NO3 minus, helps in supporting life forms in our nature, in our earth, supporting life forms. It also helps in mitigation of greenhouse gases because proper nitrification can reduce the nitrous oxide emissions. Proper nitrification can help us to reduce nitrous oxide emissions. And we all know that these nitrous oxides are very harmful for acid rain and other things. This is a greenhouse gas also. So those things, so here nitrification also helps in these things. Okay, so what happens when the nitrogen is nicely converted into nitrate? So it is gone to life forms, that is, for example, plant absorb it. So what happens, the other forms of nitrogen which would be able to convert itself into nitrous oxide and become a potent greenhouse gas is reduced. Okay, so overall it will lead to be reducing the greenhouse gas emissions. So this was the body, and I hope you understand the both part of the questions, and I have explained everything very properly so that you are able to write the answers very nicely. And you should include the conclusion. Try to conclude your answers positively. In conclusion, you can simply write the role of nitrogen, a positive statement showing the role of nitrogen, how it is essential for our healthy soils, for our plant growth, for protecting water quality, and it is good for our overall environment. So that is, nitrification is a very key process when we see with regards to nitrogen on our earth. So, okay, so that is how you can conclude by writing these positive statements. So I hope you understand all the parts of the answer, and you will be now able to write this question very nicely. So that is all for today. If you like it, please press the like button, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis, and that's too on free. So if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.